Today we will learn how to rank in groups. To see those ranks more clearly, we have sorted our data by the towns of our group, and we also color coded the values, the rows, so we can see we have groups, so we have ranks in those groups, and we can give ranks in groups just using one function. This function is called COUNTIFS. So we'll be counting rows where the criteria are met. And the first criteria, the range of criteria we will be checking is our group. So the A column, so the town, F4 plot, then comma, and we need to write criteria. And criteria is for current row, current group. So A2, comma, and the second criteria is the value we are checking for rank. So in our example, it's revenue. So this range, F4 locked, then comma, and we looking for values that are larger than or equal to this value. So we have to write in double quotes operator, logical operator, and then combine it with value of current revenue for this particular product, person, or other values. And just like that we could get the result. And Control Enter for the whole range, so the color coding isn't changed. And we have numbers from 1 to 5 for the Moria, 1 to 4 for Ironforge, and 1 to 3 for Azmarine. And we can also sort our data from largest to smallest, and on data tab from largest to smallest, and we can see that the value doesn't matter that this value is the first in all values. We can see we have group 1 in this group, here 1 and here 2, and the values, the ranks don't have to be in sequence. So we can see here 3 elements from the group Moria, but then we have Ironforge 2, and Azmarine, the second position, the second rank for Azmarine is in the 10th row, because we are looking at values in groups, not by the whole ranks, for whole revenue.